It's a chilly and damp morning in Mendocino, and we are walking through some ovine Carignan that we're probably going to pick on Friday morning. There are some monster head train vines, and I'm about to show you what might be the heaviest, one of the largest vines I've ever seen, but check out how much fruit is going to be on this sucker. Vine alone probably had like 2 or 3 picking bins worth of fruit on it. And it gets up to about, the fruit zone gets up to about 6 feet tall, so it's pretty wild. Second pick of Shake Ridge Ranch Mourvèdre is now dug out of tank and going to press. It smells like the holidays. It's all like cinnamon and nutmeg and spice. We'll check out the clusters here because they're so still intact. It's really incredible.